Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Kryptonite with Drip to Wealth, and we are back again with the video on Warren.Finance. You see it. What do we got here? In the last 24 hours, Pulse Chain is up 23%. In the last week, it is up 60%. The price appreciation on Pulse Chain has had crazy implications on the price and TVL of Warren. Let's check it out. The TVL is 1,278,883.30. The Warren token price is 0.01941. Congratulations to Warren, the dev, the team, and the community. We're all like shoelaces. You cannot have one without the other. Congratulations to you all. Now let me ask you a question. How many people have actually taken profits? Leave it in the comments. Let me know when you took profits. Have you been taking profits along the way? Were you waiting for a specific dollar amount to show up in your available? Were you waiting for your daily income to maybe get to like 4% and then you decided to take profits? Let me know. Here's why I asked that question. It's because the squad, they were relentless today. They put out videos reminding people to take profits responsibly. But more importantly, just take freaking profits. Because the cliche is you buy low and you sell high. Well, my goodness, the TVL is high and the price is high. Take profits. Rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, take profits. Because reality is we don't know what's going to happen in the next minute, the next hour, and certainly not within the next 24 hours. So take profits, right? But here's the crazy part. If you're looking at my screen, you'll see that my available Warren sits at $173,000, roughly $3,400 of available. KK, come on, bro. You're telling us to take profits and you're not taking profits? What's really going on here? All right, check this out. It kind of reminds me of when I got my driver's license for the first time and I asked my dad to borrow the car. And my dad said, of course, son, congratulations on getting your license. You can have the car for the weekend. Do me one small favor, though. Don't go over the speed limit. Drive the speed limit. No problem, Dad. I'm trying to be responsible and earn my dad's respect. So I do everything he asked me to do. I drive the speed limit and under, and I bring the car back with no issues and full of gas. Later that night, I think it was like late Sunday night, I thought back. I was like, man, that's crazy. I said, when I drive my dad either in the backseat or the passenger side, my dad is always over the speed limit. In fact, he's kind of swerving in and out of the traffic. I'm like, man, come on, that's some old double standard stuff. But then as you mature, you realize what they're kind of saying, which is do as I say, not as I do. And it's because all of our circumstances are very different. My risk tolerance may be higher than yours. So I may be willing to take on this incremental risk in hopes of breaking even a lot faster. Maybe my confidence is much higher in the team than yours. Perhaps I've got more discretionary income than you do, right? So all of these different variables are at play. But I'm here to tell you, don't be listening to no damn influencer that's going to be telling you to take on incremental risk. You listen to the influencers that are telling you to be responsible. So Moonshot Max, Legacy, Mo, Crypto Neptune, they're all telling you the right thing to do. You better be taking profits. So why would I not be listening to these guys? Well, here's reality. I had a plan. And my plan was to aggressively break even. And in order for me to aggressively break even, I had to roll the dice and keep my money in there by building up my hold bonus. If you notice, my hold bonus is at 1.2. And I said, if I grow that thing, it's going to accelerate the number of days that I break even. So I'm just going to roll the dice. And I did. Check this out. I even took on even more risk. This is crazy. So at the first of the year, the price of Warren was 0.016. The TVL at the time was about 900,000. The APR total for me was 3.4. So I'm in like 1,900 bucks. The value is $5,500 and some change. Obviously, it's a little bit higher because of referral bonuses and a few other things, right? And I was like, man, I'm really loving the way that Warren is performing. So I'm actually going to lean in. Watch what I did. On January 7th, the price of the Warren token was 0.01455. That's lower than the price at the start of the year. The TVL grew, right? 926,000. Obviously, my APR is going to be up because of my whole bonus, right? Then I said, you know what? I don't know what it is, but something inside of me is telling me I need to be investing more money in Warren. Instincts. That's all it was. It was instincts, but then if I were to dial it back, it's clearly the dev and the team. I obviously trust them. The community has been behaving extremely well, right? They haven't been dumping on Warren. And the price, I just had this gut feeling that it was going to go bananas. I couldn't tell you why. I just had a feeling. So I doubled down. I put in how much more? Let's see. Woo! Jeez. That's a lot of money. An extra 1950 rounded up. Jeez, that's a lot of money. I didn't realize it was that much money. But I put in an extra 1950. Now check this out, right? So my initial all-in is roughly $3,900. My stake value is $7,300. So my profit is $3,402. I'm making $277 a day. $277 a day. Check this out. I can't believe I made that decision. Look at the price. The price is down. Price is down. Price is down. Flat because I didn't update on January 5th. Price is down. Price is down again. What the heck was I thinking? Right? And when I did that, the number of days it was going to take me to break even at the time was 9 days. So I was going to break even on January 19th, 2024. You guys picking up what I'm putting down? Watch what happens just by me following my instincts. All right, check this out. Let's go ahead and update the current price and all the KPIs for Warren. Watch what happens. As of today, January 10th, with all of the price action from PLS, remember my initial investment is still the $38.95. Look what happened to my stake value. It is now $9,729.95. My profit is $5,834.95. I am now making $392.12. $392.12. Check this out. A lot of that is driven by price appreciation. 9%, 10% in TVL. My APR is up 1.5%. Watch what happens. My available Warren, check this out. 3365.08. 3365.08. I'm still down $529.92 from my initial investment. It is going to take me 1.4 days, 1.4 days to break even. So I will actually break even on January 11th. That's sometime tomorrow. And what's crazy is I did that after adding an additional $1,947. What? You damn right I rolled the dice. Sometimes you got to be lucky. You got to have courage, man. And sometimes you just got to be lucky. I got lucky and I followed my instincts and I won. Those are the exceptions, not the rule. Let me repeat. That is the exception, not the rule. You better take your damn profits early and often. But with Warren, reinvest, right? Because this thing is crushing it. And if you want to continue to have a consistent payday, you got to feed the machine. All right, so long story short, it's actually working out for me. In about a day and a half, I should break even, which is phenomenal because I set the goal from the very beginning. And my goal was to take on the highest risk, which was I am all in on Warren until I break even. And the only reason I was comfortable with that decision is because of the variables within my life. My risk tolerance was high. I had the discretionary income to do it, and I trusted the dev, the team, and the community. If all of those variables don't line up for you, do as I say, not as I do. All right, look, if you found value in the video, you know what to do. Like, sub, throw on the bell notification. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys are doing. In the meantime, I do wish you all peace and prosperity. Stay hydrated. We out.